right, so for rowings, we're gonna reach for the straps. I'm on one yellow spring on Peak Pilates. I do go between going with the lightest spring, which is the blue, and the medium spring, which is a yellow. Today I'm gonna go ahead and go for yellow. I'm gonna break down this exercise a little and then we're gonna do the full thing. You're gonna hold your knuckles together like this as you hold your handles or straps. We're gonna flex through the ankles and sit nice and tall first. So as I squeeze my knuckles together, I'm actually creating a nice energy through my whole body on that. Inhale, I prepare. Exhale, first thing is the pull of my belly, then the tuck of my tail to roll down. I open my arms out and then I press back. I'm gonna bring the arms forward. I'm gonna tuck back into the knuckles and then roll it up. So this is our prep. I'm gonna do it again. Squeezing the knuckles together, shoulders down. Inhale, I prepare. Exhale, first thing is pull of the belly and tuck of the tail as I roll down. I open my arms. I'm gonna press back a little, come forward a little, knuckles in, and I'm gonna roll all the way up. So you can do that over and over to build the strength for that first moment of that pressing back. For me, that's a really important piece of the exercise that I don't want my clients to miss out on. So once I've programmed that, I then inhale, prepare, and I roll back for the full exercise. So from here, I open my arms. I press back, then minimizing any movement of the carriage, I come around, grab two fingers and hold. From there, I'm gonna reach my arms back, lift my arms up, then lower them down. I reach my arms back, trying to minimize any snapping of my arms apart. I stretch over and come right back up. Inhale, exhale, squeeze the knuckles, abs draw in, tailbone tips under. Open my arms, press them back, then I come forward. Reach for two fingers and stretch the arms up. Lower them down. Now right here, I'm thinking reach back, then around and over. And I come up. Third one, inhale. Exhale, pelvic tilt, roll it back. Open the arms. Press back first, then come forward. And stretch the arms up, lower them down, minimize any snapping of the arms apart. You reach back, around, and stretch over, and come up. So for the next one, it's the flat back, rowing 2. Elbows come up high, and you lean back flat as a board. From here, reach your arms out, then dive up, and you go down, circling the arms back, up, around, and lift. Elbows up high, lean back, reach out, dive up and over, circle the arms up, around, and over. Lift the elbows up high, lean back, out, up, circle the arms down, up, around, and sit tall. For rowings 3 and 4, we turn around. Sitting up, hands underneath my shoulders, and I extend the arms out. 1, exhale, I lower. Inhale, arms reach out, around, and back. Inhale out. Exhale down, inhale up, exhale around, inhale out, exhale, grow tall, inhale up, exhale, I bring my hands down onto the mat for rowing 4, exhale, chin and round over, send the arms out, minimizing the movement of the carriage as I come up, reach out, around and down, inhale,
Chin into chest, round over. Send the arms out. Now minimize the movement of the carriage as you're rolling up. So I'm reaching out, around and down. Inhale. Exhale, ramp. Reach it out. Roll it up. And I grow taller and taller. Arms up, around, and down. Now I'm gonna do hug a tree and salute, and I'm just gonna do it sitting, crossing my legs, arms come out. Inhale, reach, exhale, open. A long lean forward, exhale, open. 3, and open. I'll reverse the breath. Inhale, exhale, inhale, open. Exhale, 2, inhale, open. Exhale, 3, inhale, open. I'm gonna switch my legs. Take it to salute. I'll do salute in front of the forehead, equal weight in each hand. Inhale, exhale, down. 2, shoulders slide down the back. 3, and 4, 5, last one, 6, and bend.